Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we're diving into trouble code P2250 OBD-II sensor reference voltage circuit, Open Bank 1 Sensor 1. If you've got this code on your skin tool, don't worry. I'll show you what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The code P2250 is a general OBD-II error code that proposes an issue with oxygen sensor 1 in Bank 2. Bank 2 states that the problem is in the engine Bank 2, which is the bank that is unable to hold the cylinder 1. Check engine light is on. Decreased fuel efficiency. Rough idling or hesitation during acceleration. Increased emissions. OBD-II scanner, multimeter, basic hand tool socket set, wrench. Replacement oxygen sensor if necessary, safety gear gloves and safety glasses. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with the cylinder number 2. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. Once the new sensor is installed, clear the code using your OBD-II scanner and start the engine. Monitor the scanner to ensure the P2250 code doesn't return. Also, take the car for a test drive to confirm everything's running smoothly. And that's it. Fixing a P2250 code is straightforward with the right tools and a little patience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY auto repair guides. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.